Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to send videos on Gmail. So let's start. First open the Gmail app. Now tap on Compose on bottom right corner. Now enter a recipient email. Add a subject line. Now to add a video tap on the paperclip icon and tap on Attach File. Remember, you can attach up to 25 megabytes of file. So I'll just select a video and it shows that the file exceeds 25 megabytes. In this case, upload the video on your Google Drive and tap on the paperclip icon again. And this time tap on Insert from Drive. Now tap on My Drive. Now select the video and tap Select on bottom right corner. Now tap on the blue arrow icon on top right corner to send the email. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.